large pepperoni and a 2-liter Pepsi.
That complete the order?
Yes.
Is this for delivery or pickup?
Delivery.
Okay, address?
30 North Lake Avenue.
Okay, you're like 2 minutes away.
Yes.
So why you not come pick it up?
Excuse me?
Mister, so why you not come pick it up?
I'd rather have it delivered.
Well, I know me rather you come pick it up.
But I'm paying for the service.
Sir, me not care what you pay for.
Yeah, but I'm
Jesus Christ. Sir, you want the pizza? Yes or no?
Yes.
So come pick up the blowout pizza.
Yeah, but I'm paying for the
Sir, this location is officially closed forever. No call back.
I'm not doing nothing about football. Marcus, you don't know nothing about football. Nothing. We know about football. Hello, beautiful. You're a real Caribbean woman, you know. You have it. So we are going to for my mom. I just tell her so you look good in your hat. Come from here, sir. Your belly big like you swallow your pride. You know so that. I can bet so I can write my number for your foot. You're an idiot. Your lip dry. You know see my vest I eat steak. Tell you about them girl, brother. What the matter? I know me get your attention. Move from here, man. Move out of my presence. You have to raise your hand before you talk to me. Out of order. You hear now? Brother, you're not getting my food, man. Oh, God, man. It's the food done.
Andre! Watch your biggie that boy play like doodoo. Shut up, I'm call back 1 minute. That boy made me earn you, kill me. Oi, sir, Andre, look at me. Oi, sir, you don't have sense. Okay. So, Andre, let me ask you this. You don't love your mother, Andre? Look at me. Okay, biggie that boy. So tell me this now. What make you play up that shit? Come on. Me see you going to kill you, boy, you don't know. Andre, if I thump in your belly, you shit to your ears. Watch him out shit in them ears. Oh, God, him love play up in night. You come in just like your father. Can you love it like grocery? I should have swallowed you one time. Me and him there play around Pandai Crow. Look at dirty, stinking, vermin, dirty boy.
Oh no! That sounds like Andre the Thief. When you see the thief, yell thief. Okay, great. Now, what can I use to knock out the thief? Can I use a stone to knock out the thief? A stick to knock out the thief? Or my bare hands? Say it with me. Stone, stick, bare hands. A stick, vámonos. Now, do you see a stick? Is this the stick? Is this the stick? Is this the stick? Very good. Let's go. Oh, man.
We did it.
I think you need to say exactly what happened.
As far as what?
Me give you bun. You decide say, you go bun me back. So what happened?
Yeah, and I got into an entanglement with Kaki, and that me say.
An entanglement?
Yes.
You dirty blood clot. You're a real cunt, bitch.
Yes, him suck me like mango pit. What you mean?
But you said my cocky long and it strong. Me give you bun first, but me feel like you're heartless and you're a whore.
Listen, I just wanted to feel hood. It's been so long since I felt hood.
Yeah, man, you're evil.
Man, I don't know why my neighbors hate me so much. Every single day, I say good morning, I make sure they're doing well, but they just give me the most disgusted look ever. I don't get it.
Students, remember, this is an exam. Please put away the phones.
Read each questions carefully. Not hard. May have this. Alright, number 1. Is orange a fruit or a color? Wait there. No, basically the same thing. You see, you're foolishness, you know? I'll just go with A, man. Hold on there. Why 17 to 22 are just D? Yo, CXC love do that foolishness, you know? I've got to change to answer them. Alright. put UC and UA.
Students!
Blood linen.
Remember, read the question carefully and answer with the most suitable answer. Jesus Christ, them students are come like them born back here, man.
No, the whole exam know me.
Yo, I want me to you.
Shan,
Want me to Shan?
she dead.
What? How you know that?
Me text her about an hour ago and she no text back.
Susan, that don't mean she dead.
No, she better blood clot dead. Me can't text her an hour ago and you no respond. If she not dead, me go kill her blood clot.
No, she this just posted on Instagram 5 minutes ago.
What? Let me see that. But how the blood clot this? No, I'm calling girl. Hello? No blood clots. Hello, me stinking dirty blood clot cranny body girl. Me text you about your post on Instagram. Remember who introduced you to Instagram, yeah? Remember who show you how to open my DMs, Remember who show you how to add filter to your dirty ugly picture, them? Remember who post you on Instagram and give you a shout out so you can get your followers? Bye, come off of my phone. That bright.
Nitro! Nitro!
Yo, what going, brother?
Yo! Dog, you not thirsty?
Brother, you see a beer water me a drink for the morning.
Dog, watch ya. Watch ya, dog.
Dog, sorry, just not laughing.
Watch ya. Half I'm a fire that in a Nitro. We're doomed. We're doomed, brother. Yo, Mike, beg you some water, my youth.
Yo,
Mila. Maita, what is my youth?
That come out of the pipe.
We're doomed. We're doomed.
Girl, relax now. All head steady. Girl, the cream I bun me. Hurry up now. Me know what me I do. Just relax. Calm down. Why all of my ear come out? You ask for the ear. You want to come one like say. What that? Nothing, girl. Just all this. It a burn me, man. Hurry up now, girl. Jesus. Oh, what that now? Just one lamp on this too. What you doing on my head? Me I give you one style. What the style name? Alopecia.
Yo, I'm gonna get my charger. How much your phone there? I'ma get my charger. How much your phone there? Make me get my charger. How much your phone? Give me charger. Free money, buddy. See that?
Hey, how you doing, man?
What kind of idiot question that? Me in a hospital.
You're right. Alright, so we're gonna have to bring you into surgery.
Surgery? For what? What me I do surgery for?
Yeah, it's mandatory.
Me not care if it's woman Tory.
Yeah, but you have a fractured
Me nah do no surgery, sir.
Yeah, but it's broken in 5 different places.
Me will put some warm water upon it when me reach home. Let me out.
Yeah, but
Me nah
yeah, but
do.
Yeah, but
No.
yeah,
Surgery.
yeah,
Me will put put warm water
but I have
what
to
let me
take
say, me will put warm water
you have to
on
take
it.
Yeah, but
Warm
yeah,
water!
that's not going to help. That's what I'm trying
Me
to say.
nah do no surgery!
No, me just take like 2 minutes and just revise. Me just revise through my book. Yeah, me a fall upon the road. Me a fall. You, me a fall, man. So, approximate.
I wonder if say if I can set the time on the phone for me, come. Me no know.
Oh, time? Easy does it. See there. Awa.
Sister Dadet! If phone where you have up there, you want with the half ice cream blanco, you still have you up there? Yeah man, can't come nigga tomorrow man, cause all along me know say my son there I could have fixed phone. What? I'm a technician, he know everything about it. Yeah man, he set the time for me. Yeah man, just bring it up tomorrow man, where you say man? Alright, stay blessed now, and yeah. Heal up brother down it for me too. Alright, we are mass man. Son, me know that say you did bad bunny. Alright, me go to one shop for you, one shop me.
A long time I tell you for do your ear. Everybody was a talk about it. Me embarrassed to go out with you. Me embarrassed, me tired. I gotta find a new.
But tell yourself stop bother me. Look what you make me do. Prince, wake up. Prince, wake up now. Tell us stop going like you're a big man cause you get your ass knocked out. Look on this now. Come on. Damn big head. Chuck, can't bother. Yeah man, that's why you get knocked the fuck out! That's funny. Let's stop laughing. Laugh now. It's funny again.
Son, I got a lie detector test. If you tell a lie, it's gonna make a beep sound. So I need it to tell me where you went last night.
My friends said they wanted to go to Bible studies, so we went to Bible studies.
Beep. We really gonna do this?
Okay, Daddy, I went over my girlfriend's house and we had sex. Do you want to hear that?
Son, I give you a list.
For real?
Son, I give you a list. How is it?
You know.
Yeah, really, him father, you him get it from?
Beep.
Blood linen.
Yeah, really, him father, you him get it from? Beep.
Yo, I'm gonna get my charger. How much your phone there? I'm gonna get my charger. How much your phone there? Make me get my charger. How much your phone? Give me charger. Free money, buddy. See that?
What the ugly man you call me for? Hello? Yo, where you there? Sir, you're too poor if you ask me my location. So what you do? Me I take care of my baby, what? Come over now. Ugly man, me cannot come, rain or fall outside. So what happen? Me buy your food, you know? What you say? Me say me buy your food.
Hey.
But look how long we're out here and at the door, man.
Oh, sorry, I only heard one.
People don't have time for waste, man. Which part exactly I want to put this thing?
You can press it over there.
Sign this piece of paper for me. Alright, sir. Have a good day.
I actually pay for delivery and setup.
Let me ask you a question. Can you set it up?
No, that's what I pay.
So you expect me to set it up?
Yeah, but I actually
It come with a manual, so you set it up.
Yeah, but I pay for delivery.
And your furniture, so you set it up.
Yeah, but I don't know how to set it
But
up.
I don't know either why you think me know if you set it up. But how you expect me to set it up? Jesus, sir, have a good night. Have a good night.
Yeah, so many never try. The job is done here.
Patricia, this way you post on Instagram, me not love the picture you at all. Me not love the dress. But the shoes. Me not love the shoes at all, girl. Me at all? Yeah, this. Me not love it at all. I can't me at all. You can't dress. You a thief and borrow people clothes. You when I have no good clothes in your closet, I can't me at all about can't dress. You chat too much. That's why your mother dead. And your sister have cancer, and your father run off left you, and your cousin them hate you. You don't even have no friend. Me are your only friend, and you're lucky you even make it. I'm sorry for you. Cause your mouth stink, and your arm green. Your body want knock into the shape good. You don't even have no uncle with your all week them. They hate your big toe. Come and talk about me can't dress. Right.
Don't you be free.
You see this perfume, yeah?
Yeah, I
It's
see
cologne.
Versace.
Every time I wear it, my mother says it's very strong. I'm putting too much on me, you know?
Yeah, and what?
So to fix that problem, you know what I do?
Oh my God, tell me.
I take this, yeah?
Yeah.
And I give it a lighter spray.
Oh my God, don't leave me. Take me with you. You're running too fast. Don't leave.
Hey, push your ass car. When you talk about with me and the bomber class here, I bet you must sit in here for you. I bet you eat this Easter bun to push it car. I tell you you friend and eat your bomber class.
Oi, where you do? Just take a look at piece. Back up off of my blood clot cheeks. Pull up back my baggy and roll the fuck back over there, so. You rapist? Eh? You rapist? Call the rascal police. Never seen something in my life. We can't even.
On your job there. Brother, you never fire no flare. It's not your job, man. Don't go feed my... Brother! Here. Alright, so far so good. Me not see nobody. Catch it! You're the youth and the list, you know. Bumbuk! Dog, what that? The level of disrespect! No, it's like me and you bend over for that ear drop the stars. Number 2, go for that ear drop there. Yo, kill the sprat in the grass.
How are you doing today, Jasmine? But you did this for what? Why not? Why? Why not? Why though?
what is Jamaica's national flower?
Dumpling.
She don't got no sense head for business.
Jesus, boy, if it's that.
Okay, hold on.
Link no party. Link no party.
Alright. Then a town, holy. What is national flower?
Counter flower, man.
Bye. Want a pound of counter flower?
National flower.
Yeah, I'm not alone you need, you know. When you can go outside and pick.
Blooming bird. Blooming bird.
Blooming bird.
What's the national flower?
Flower. Oh, Aki.
You can spell library for me?
Libeary.
Spell it again.
Libeary.
Libeary.
Just take it easy.
You son of
Yeah, you're a fiend. How are you, stuff?